Guys, Ruben here, Golden Feather Investments and Lig Lending, and this is to introduce you to the HECM loan, what the benefits of the HECM, the home equity conversion mortgage, also known as reverse mortgage, what the benefits are for a client, and who this program actually applies for, and who the candidates are, and who are the ones who are the naysayers for reverse mortgages. The reverse mortgage, ladies and gentlemen, is not for everyone. The reverse mortgage is for the individual who can no longer make their monthly obligations with their mortgage company. They're in foreclosure and want to save their home. They do have enough equity to qualify for the reverse mortgage. You're done paying, their mortgage payment, and you just want to retire and live a happy life. Uh, the person who qualifies for this is the person who has no other assistance, is on fixed income, and doesn't have enough to pay their debts. The naysayers, the people who do not like these type of loans, are obviously the next of kin, the children, those who will receive the property upon their passing. Because a lot of people don't like about reverse mortgages is, instead of you making a payment, a forward payment, the reverse mortgage actually takes equity from the back. So if your payment is $1,000 a month, it would take it from the back. What the naysayers don't know is that if one, as a homeowner, wanted to make a payment, a forward payment on a reverse, you can. So instead of the thousand coming from the back, you can always commit to 1,000 monthly. I'm just throwing that number as an example. That everybody's case will be different. Every dollar amount will be different for every case. But as an example, instead of it coming from the back, you can always pay it. And then if there's a month where you can't pay it, it'll take it from the back. At least you don't have to worry about ruining your credit, and you don't have to worry about that monthly obligation. A reverse mortgage is good for the person who just doesn't have the help from the children, and are at the point where they're stressing their life away. I say, don't stress your life away, and live life to your fullest. Today's society is a tough one right now. The world is going through a lot right now, and the HECM loan would actually be something that can help our third generation, right? So for reverse mortgage, to be able to get into this type of loan, you would have to have enough equity. It is age based, so the first thing I ask for is the date of birth, what the property is worth to what is owed on the property. Um, to be able to, because a reverse mortgage is a government insured loan, kind of like FHA, the property has to be in good condition. Uh, you must own or occupy the property. Owner occupancy is considered 6 months and 1 day. So if you're living there 6 months and 1 day, and then you go to your second home for 5 months, and 30 days or 29 days, or whatever that time is, then as long as you occupy the property 6 months, 1 day out of the year, then you're okay. It's considered owner occupied. They do verify that. They do make phone calls. They will send mail. You just have to confirm that you occupy. They The reverse mortgage asks you for four things. Number one, keep the property, upkeep the property, keep it in good condition. Number two, keep your insurance and property taxes paid. They don't want the county to foreclose. They don't want the house to burn, and then the property not be insured. Three, they ask for credit. They ask for occupancy, meaning you live in it, and they also ask that no other loans go on the property, no seconds, no thirds, or no one can go on title without them knowing about it. And what this means is, when you want to put, for example, your children on title, you can now do that, but your children would have to be present at the HUD counseling. The HUD counseling can be done by phone or in person, and HUD counseling is $150, and it is a 1 hour session. It's a 1 hour session. There is a free HUD counseling class that would only that's usually a month wait before you get that, but it's something that has to be done. They will tell you pretty much the same things I'm telling you, but it is a something that's worth your time. There's four different types of loans to reverse mortgage. There's a reverse mortgage HECM loan, the adjustable, monthly adjustable, the yearly adjustable, the 30-year fixed, and then we can also do the HECM purchase. The HECM purchase is good because if your house is too big and you want to downgrade but purchase through reverse where you no longer make payments, you can also do that. This is a really good program, and I wanted to introduce you, the consumer, to this type of program and explain how it works and who benefits from it. You can buy up to 4 units as long as you own or occupy. So This video is made for Golden Feather Investment and Your Home Real Estate agents, and can only be utilized for them to present this to the consumer. My name is Ruben Allende, licensed NMLS 13. Get that right. It is 1390335. That's my NMLS, and that's pretty much for it for today. Thank you.